5 home exercises to lose belly fat fast. Simple exercises for beginners at home. For many who are trying to achieve a slimmer body, one of the most difficult areas to tone is the midsection. However, cutting down your stubborn belly fat and keeping your midsection strong is more than just for vanity. Every time you carry your kids or your groceries, you are depending on your core as the main foundation of strength. If you want to lose your excess belly fat and increase your core strength, but you don't have time to go to the gym or have fancy machines at home to work out those inner belly muscles, simply follow these beginning core exercises that you can perform at the comfort of your home. Though these exercises can do wonders for you, you must not ignore eating a proper and healthy diet. Number 1. Bird Dog Crunch. To do this exercise, start by getting on the floor on all fours. Make sure both hands are positioned directly underneath your shoulders and your knees and hips are in line. Next, raise your right hand, extending your hand straight out while keeping it at the same height with your shoulder. While doing this, simultaneously raise your left leg and extend it straight back. Ensure that your entire body forms a straight line. Move your left leg such that it touches your right elbow under your stomach, and then extend your arm and leg outwards again. Get back to your starting position, and then do the same with the other side. Perform 5 repetitions for each side. 2. Standing bicycle crunches. This exercise is performed by standing with your feet hip-width apart from each other and both hands positioned behind your head. While in this position, tighten your core, keep your back straight, and relax your shoulders. Next, raise your right leg together with your right knee, and then lower your left elbow such that your knee and elbow are touching. Get back to your starting position, and then do the same with the other side. Perform this movement 5 times on each side. 3. Sit-ups. To perform this exercise, simply sit on the floor while your knees are bent, and your feet are flat on the ground. While keeping your hands at the back of your head and your shoulders relaxed, lay back on the floor and then rise back up. Do this for a whole minute, and then rest for 20 seconds. Perform 5 rounds of this exercise. 4. Modified bicycle crunch. Begin with the starting position of the sit-up. Sit with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and both hands positioned on the sides of your head. Next, with a gentle twist, bring your left knee and right elbow towards one another. Get back to your starting position. Do the same with the other side. Perform this exercise for a whole minute, and then rest for 20 seconds. Repeat the exercise for 5 rounds. 5. Spider plank crunch. This exercise is done by starting in a push-up position. Both hands flat on the ground, making sure they are directly underneath your shoulders, and your legs are straightened backwards with your toes on the floor as support. Make sure that your body is straight. Next, raise your right knee and move your knee towards the outside of your right elbow. Return to your starting position and then do the same with the other side. Perform 5 repetitions with each side. Aside from busting those excess belly fats and making you look better, these exercises can also improve your core, making you stronger and more effective in performing your daily activities. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all notifications.